Hello everyone and welcome to this video on Linux series. And in this particular video, we are going to talk about one of the very strong defense that can help you prevent from network intrusions known as firewalls. You must have heard of this term anywhere. While protecting your network, you definitely should have used a device called as firewall. So in this video, we are going to talk about one of the very powerful firewall that you have on Linux operating system that can help you secure your system from intrusions. So we are going to talk about a software firewall known as Firewall D, which is also a host-based firewall. So without any delay, let's open the terminal and start configuring this particular firewall. So this video is going to be really interesting because over here we are going to discuss the firewalls concept. So first of all, let's understand how we can install this software on our machine, because by default it's not present on your machine. So for that, using root user, you are going to run a command called as apt install firewall d. In my case, you can see that it's trying to upgrade. In your case, it will try to install. So if I hit yes, so it will try to fetch this specific file from the repository of Kali, and then once it is done, you will find it downloaded on your machine. So as you can see now, the firewall has been successfully upgraded in my case, and in your case, it will be down. So once it is downloaded, it runs like a service. If you remember, we started a service called as SSH and HTTP in the last few videos. So in this particular video, we are going to again use the systemctl command to start the service of Firewall D. So for that, we can use this command, and now we can check the status of it using the status command. And if I hit enter here, you will find that the firewall is now active and running on our machine. So this firewall, Firewall D, works like a whitelist firewall. It basically blocks everything, and then you have to specify what services and port you want to allow. Otherwise, by default, it will block anything or everything.